Here is a close look at the Madesmart Silverware tray. I absolutely love this thing, and you'll see here's an example of the amount of stuff that you would be able to fit into this tray. It's nice and sleek. I love this gray color, and it's got this nice non-slip grip. Great for your utensils. And as you can see, so knives are bigger. It does fit my knives though. If you've got larger knives than this, you'll probably need a different one. I find that this silverware tray is best, I think, for smaller families and couples with smaller kitchens, people who don't have a ton of utensils. Just keep that in mind. It works great for my needs and the utensils that we have. It might not be great for everyone, however, or you might want to have multiple of these trays. It's up to you, but overall these are great. And here, let me see if I can give you a close look at the bottom too. So here's what we've got to work with. These are excellent. They might seem smaller perhaps than what you wanted, to make sure that you look closely, make sure it'll work for your needs, check the dimensions to make sure it'll work for your utensils. But overall, I would definitely recommend this, and it's easy to clean as well. Fits my utensils with ease, and I hope it fits yours too.